Are you ready to dive into the world of Magnolia IPTV? This video is your ultimate guide to not only understanding this service, but also maximizing your streaming experience. You'll learn everything from setup to device compatibility and common issues. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the initial setup. To start using Magnolia IPTV, head over to their official site and sign up for a subscription. They offer over 22,000 live channels and 90,000 on-demand videos, making it one of the most comprehensive IPTV services available. Once you're signed up, download the Magnolia IPTV app. It's available on various platforms including Android, iOS, and smart TVs. For the best experience, ensure you're using a stable internet connection of at least 25 megabits per second. This speed ensures smooth streaming without buffering interruptions. Next, let's tackle device compatibility. Magnolia IPTV works seamlessly on many devices like Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, and even directly on your smart TV. If you're using a Fire Stick, search for the Magnolia IPTV app in the Amazon App Store, download it, and log in with your credentials. It's that simple. Now let's discuss navigating the app. Once inside, you'll find categories for live TV, movies, and series. Take advantage of the search feature to quickly find your favorite content. Remember, the organization of channels can vary, so familiarize yourself with the layout for easier access. However, users often encounter some common issues. One major problem is buffering. If you find that your streams are buffering frequently, consider checking your internet speed and resetting your router. Also, using a VPN can help improve connection stability, especially if you're streaming from a location with restricted access. Another frequent mistake is not exploring the VOD section. Magnolia IPTV has an extensive library of movies and shows that can be accessed anytime. Make sure to check back often as content updates frequently. Also, look out for subscription plans that offer discounts for longer commitments, potentially saving you money in the long run. Lastly, keep an eye on promotions. Magnolia IPTV often runs limited-time offers